Good morning. Good morning, mom's boy.
I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart.
So cute. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Eyes of mine.
I'm making breakfast for my Santa now.
What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll try to fix it. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see. There are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow, grow.
My scent of the day is this Dolce & Gabbana light blue. I have smelled this before, but I'm just need to test out everything again. And before I even read the notes, I could get lemon and a fresh smell. So I'm just keen to see how this matures throughout the day. That's my dog's haters.
I would like to tell you mine and mysteries. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll fix
some yogurt for you. There you go, mama. I'm using this rice because Diane and I like soft and sticky rice. So I'm gonna use this. Power's off now, so we're gonna light this manually. You make cute pink later. From the garden, I'm just gonna soak it in some salt water. Guys, I just cooked for Diren. Basically made him breakfast, lunch and supper today. That's not an everyday thing, but it's some days, but not every day. Like, I'd either buy a meal in between or to have something quick, but like 3 for a meal? Ooh, I'm tired. But anyway, I'm having the rice, like soft, very soft cooked rice, with, you won't believe it, but the Nando's veggie burger patty, right? I hate it on the burger. So what I do is I order extra halloumi. So I eat an halloumi burger. Then the patty, I always do something with it. Like today, I put butter and I fried it more because I feel like it's always so mushy. So I fried it so it gets like a little brown crispiness on it. And I added some cheese and then I mixed that into the rice with some samyang sauce. And I'm actually enjoying it. Like, it's a simple, dry-ish thing, but I love it. You know, so I want to like show you guys because it looks like dog food. But I'm enjoying it. I'm going to, I think, make some tea now. I'm craving Cocoa Pops, so I might just have that just now or later. And then I'm gonna edit and post. So if you watch this, thank you. Today's day 7, I can't believe it. I'm actually very proud of myself because I'm very tired, and you know, people don't appreciate the efforts you make in life and what you do, and they just don't see like all the vision or whatever. It makes it harder to like do it more. Like, people aren't as supportive as you thought they would be. Maybe because like everyone's doing this now, I don't know. I feel like in the beginning, like at the beginning of time, like 2014-ish, people were way more supportive. Because like, this wasn't like an everybody thing. Now everybody's sharing their lives, so like probably no one cares about mine. So if you're watching this and you care, or if I make you laugh, I hope I make you laugh. Even if it's just my face that makes you laugh, that's good enough. And thank you. And may you have all the blessings in life and all good things. Yeah. Good night. Thank you. So cute. Isn't sure you care. This is so fun. Now you care. You don't dare. At least we have fun. So let's do the day. Guys, that was so fun. Didn't call me and then we lit the big sparkles and we were like playing together and then it wasn't recording. But it's fine. We have fun and it was cute. I could record it a little bit. You saw now. But yeah, that was cute. And fun. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. Sparkles. Makes you happy. Exhibit A. Guys, let me show you this. Did you ever do this when you were younger? Or in my case now when I'm older? Oh. You care, chuto day.
Now you care.